So folks, thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. Enjoy my video on ChatGPT and how it might replace humans. Are you a new subscriber to our channel? To get notified of new videos, click the subscribe button and keep an eye out for the bell icon. Welcome to the world of ChatGPT, the advanced language model that is revolutionizing the way we communicate and access information. ChatGPT, short for Generative Pre-training Transformer, is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It is based on the GPT, Generative Pre-training Transformer model, and is trained using a large dataset of human-generated text, such as articles, books, and websites. The key feature of ChatGPT is its ability to understand and respond to a human language in a natural and intuitive way. This is achieved through the use of deep learning techniques, such as unsupervised pre-training and fine-tuning on specific tasks. ChatGPT has the ability to generate written content, such as articles, scripts, emails, and even poetry. It can also be used for a variety of other tasks, such as machine translation, question answering, and summarization. One of the main advantages of ChatGPT is that it can be fine-tuned for specific tasks with relatively small amounts of labeled data, which makes it more flexible and adaptable than other language models. Additionally, ChatGPT has the ability to generate more diverse and coherent text than other models. The model is available to the public via OpenAI's API, which allows developers to use ChatGPT to create a wide range of applications. The API provides easy access to the model's capabilities and can be integrated into various platforms and systems. ChatGPT is based on the GPT, Generative Pre-training Transformer model, and uses a combination of deep learning techniques, such as unsupervised pre-training and fine-tuning, to achieve its advanced language processing capabilities. Despite its capabilities, ChatGPT is not a replacement for human intelligence, but rather a tool that can augment human capabilities. It is important for humans to review and validate the output of ChatGPT to ensure its accuracy and relevance. Unsupervised pre-training is a technique in which a model is trained on a large dataset without labeled data. This allows the model to learn general language patterns and representations from the data. In the case of ChatGPT, the model is pre-trained on a massive dataset of human-generated text, such as articles, books, and websites. Once the model has been pre-trained, it can then be fine-tuned for specific tasks, such as generating text or answering questions. Fine-tuning involves training the model on a smaller dataset that is labeled and task-specific. This allows the model to learn task-specific representations and prove its performance on the specific task. How ChatGPT can replace humans. One of the most exciting things about ChatGPT is its ability to replace humans in certain tasks. With its advanced language processing abilities, ChatGPT can perform tasks that were once thought to be exclusively human, such as writing compelling scripts, composing emails, and even creating art. In customer service, ChatGPT can handle large volumes of inquiries and provide accurate and timely responses 24/7. This can save businesses time and money, while also improving customer satisfaction. In content creation, ChatGPT can generate new ideas, write articles, and even compose poetry. However, it is important to note that ChatGPT is not perfect and can make mistakes. It's important for humans to review and validate the output of ChatGPT to ensure its accuracy and relevance. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see ChatGPT and other language models play an increasingly important role in our lives. It's exciting to think about all the ways ChatGPT can help us, but it's also important to consider the ethical and social implications of this technology. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help us achieve more and be more efficient, but it's important to use it responsibly and thoughtfully. This brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. The use of this technology should be thoughtfully evaluated and implemented with consideration for the potential impacts on society and individuals. What do you think about this? Share your answers with us in the comment section below. Don't forget to turn on notifications to receive new video updates. Remember to also like this video. Bye for now.